Hi everybody, you're here with us today to shoot our first ever YouTube video. Daniel, turn around and tell the camera your name and your age and where you go to school.
My name is Daniel and my age is 5 and I go to Primary 1 and I go to Kearney Hill Primary School.
And have a look at the camera and give us a little thumbs up please. That's the game. We are going to shoot a YouTube video today. Let me give you a wee tour of the room. Daniel, just talk us through these posters. Who's this?
Right,
The Avengers?
We have Hulk.
Oh yeah.
We have Iron Man. We have
Oh, yeah.
Spider-Man.
Oh,
we have
yeah.
Hulk Lady.
Oh yeah.
And we have, where is he? I've seen him in the poster before.
All sorts of folk. Who's this flag over here? Tell the watching
So
millions
this is
about this
Northern
flag.
Ireland.
Yeah.
Northern Ireland are a very good team.
Daniel?
And they are very, 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 very good. And they're very, very good fighters for the ball.
Fighters for the ball. And there's another team up here. Who's this one?
Man United are
Man United.
good
And
players.
that's the strip you've got on, isn't it?
Man United are good players. Like, this is why I've got the top one.
And up there, who's this? Car racing game?
Car racing. I've played a car racing game. That car racing game is on my iPad. Just like I can see some
Let's
wrestlers.
talk about
So,
one of your real
AJ Styles,
passions.
John Cena, and I know his name, but I just forgotten it.
that's-
Roman Reigns,
Well done.
Seth Rollins, Brock Lesnar, Kevin Owens, Sami Zayn,
My
AJ
goodness.
Styles, and even Randy Orton,
around.
Braun Strowman.
Turn around. You look like one of the wrestlers too when you turn around because you're in that picture. Turn around again. Yeah, you look like one of them. So is your muscles. Goodness me, you look like you come from Brussels.
And Seth
A
Rollins.
sign says Brussels. Tell everyone, tell the,
Robert Luke.
tell the watching viewers back home where you were a couple of weeks ago.
At the wrestling, seen Braun Strowman, seen Bray Wyatt, seen Seth Rollins.
Did anyone come out the ring and brush past your old dad?
AJ.
Yeah. Right, let's watch it. That one of Daniel's passions, viewers, is lots of cars and racing. And he loves playing football and all that as well, don't get me wrong, but car racing's his thing just now, and he's got about 155 cars down there.
Or 175.
And he's not trying to kill his mum and dad in the living room by putting them on the floor and leaving them there. He likes racing them in his bedroom. He might get a bit of track from Santa, you never know.
Like,
but he's
I
got...
can show you something
Oh, yeah,
else that I
please do.
race with too. Right, just I need to turn these around, now then push the button. Then cars will be everywhere. But
Oh, you've already got it pre-made for us, eh?
yeah, because I made it where it long so I could make it instead of setting all the cars in it.
Tell everyone that we
Right,
did.
we'll need one more car then.
Okay.
That's the way. So give me some time.
No problem. No
And
problem.
this is the funny part of it. I'll do the funny part before I do the good part.
Okay.
Right, I'll shut this. Then I'll do
Thanking you.
this.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! What happened there? Did they all spring into the wall?
Yeah, they all went through the wall. That's the funny part of it. Now I'll do the good part of it. Right, I'll do the good part of it now.
Right, remember your viewers are waiting on
What
you.
the? Just,
Hoopla!
sorry, give me some time. It's still not.
No problem.
There's now done. Now I've got to move this out of the way. Now,
Way! You came zooming out, not that far this time. Go and show us a race on the track, Daniel. The viewers are wanting a race on the track. Tell us the car. Introduce the cars first, please.
Hot
One
Wheels.
at a time.
Hot Wheels, Lamborghini,
Oh yeah.
Hot Wheels. Are we called?
Show the camera, spin it around a little bit, not too fast, but let's just see oh yeah, the Lamborghini is, can I have a wee hold of it? The Lamborghini is absolutely, that's built for speed. Let's show us your other one, man. Oh yeah.
I think this is going to lose against the Lamborghini.
Do you think so? Well, I'm with you on that one. I think the Lamborghini looks pretty fast now. Whoa!
Yeah, that was a draw.
Oh, was it right? Let me go this way then.
And I need to do these
Do that
two
again.
parts until it's a winner. And then I'll go into my second one.
Do that again. 3 races.
Right, I'll do this one in front because I know the Lamborghini will win.
Lambo 1.
No, that went like. It was a draw.
That's cool.
Right.
Right, one more race, Daniel. I'm signing off and we'll upload this to YouTube. Oh, fantastic. Well, everyone, subscribe to our channel.
One more chance on
Oops,
this.
he's ruined my sign off with that one.
Right then,
Totally ruined it.
Right.
Right. Okay, everyone. Listen, everyone.
Listen, everyone.
Subscribe to our channel. Daniel Manson becomes a YouTuber and makes his old dad £1 million to buy a gold house.com. Subscribe to us, like our channel. I hope you enjoyed the videos. We'll have more coming for you soon.
No, there's still more coming.
More coming down the streams. You want to say bye, Daniel?
No, there's still more races.
Okay, bye.